Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel, The Lovely Professionals. Today we will talk about present simple expression number first and step number 4. When we talk about future, we think of will and shall. But present simple is so diverse, it's so flexible. You can talk about future without using shall and will. How we do that, all that is ahead in the video. I request all of you to watch the video till end. And if you're new to our channel, so please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's begin. It's expression number first and step number 4th. It's present simple. So what we have to do is, for 4th step, you can remember this, the signature of this can be to make future sentences without using shall and will. So I'll write here, to make future sentences without using shall and will. Without using shall and will. Now, how we do that? If we know that present, when we talk about future, if we have to talk about future is really dependent upon will and shall. Till now, this was the statement. Now you will also say that will and shall is not that much mandatory when we talk about future. So you can also use there are two things which you can use. By the help of them, you can talk about future without using shall and will. And what are these two things? That is, you can talk about future without using shall and will by denoting time and date. By denoting time and date. तो ये दो चीजें जो है, हम इनकी मदद से फ्यूचर के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, और विल और शैल जो है इसको इस्तेमाल किए बगैर ही. और अब हम एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं जिसमें हम विल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, फिर जो है उसी में हम विल को जो है बाहर निकाल के वहां पे टाइम और डेट की मदद से उसी सेंटेंस का सेम मीनिंग रखेंगे. अब हम कैसे करेंगे? आई विल गो टू स्कूल. दिस इज द सेंटेंस ऑफ फ्यूचर. और आई शैल, व्हाटएवर यू से दैट, आई शैल और विल गो टू स्कूल. अब हम देखते हैं इसको हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, और जो विल है, विल को भी हम इस सेंटेंस में इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. हाउ वी डू दैट इज, आई गो टू स्कूल टुमारो. Okay, this is the sentence which you can use. And when we talk about this, or you simply say that PM visits Kashmir on 1st August. Okay, as you know that there is much time left to 1st August, and we talk about 1st August without using shall and will, and this sentence is clearly indication it has the sense of future, and it is the sentence of the future tense. So where it's used, when we talk about the railway stations, when we talk about the companies, when we talk about the airlines, the announcement which they made there, all these announcements are done in this step. They don't say that the train will come, the flight will leave. They say that bus arrives, or the flight for Mumbai to Delhi arrives at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. So all these things, this step is applicable there, and also you can put it in your conversation to make your conversation more independent and more beautiful. With this, I conclude. Thanks and stay blessed.